guys, come with us to Ottawa. We're going to renew our passports tomorrow, but we're leaving like a day before. So I have already taken like screenshots of step-by-step processes on how you can actually sign up on the website, book your appointments, make payments, passports, which I'm going to share with you guys later, and I'll also be sharing my experiences. As you already know, my name is Isabella Udo. I'm a mom to a very beautiful girl who is sleeping there, that's Sleeping Beauty, who is currently living in Canada. I love to share mom tips, everyday life, beauty, lifestyle, travel vlogs, just anything I can actually share. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for all the love that you show me. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to your friends and family who wants to renew their passports and are currently living in Canada. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You know, I will always be in the comments answering questions. I am not tired of answering your questions. And please hit the subscribe button. Let's go! This was going to be our second time visiting Ottawa. The first time we went there was for a vacation. This time we're going to renew our passport. Initially, we didn't want to sleep over. We wanted to travel that same day and come back that same day. But after considering the stress that we would go through traveling on Monday, the 28th of July, and coming back on that same day, I knew it was going to be a lot. Because for one thing, I don't know how to drive. It's just my husband who knows how to drive. So the stress will be just too much on him. So we decided to leave a day before. The ride from my city to Ottawa was basically 5 hours, but we had to factor in like 6 to 7 hours for those moments where we have to stretch our legs and for unforeseen circumstances. The bad part was that we already left late because it was unplanned. So we left the house as at past 2 in the afternoon. So we're due to get there by 7 p.m. Since we already left late, we already knew there was going to be traffic on 401 highway. Thankfully, I made some grilled chicken wings, some grilled chicken thighs, and some sausages, which my daughter loves so much. As you already know, information is life. So one of the reasons why I'm making this video is because there was so many information I could not find online when it was my time. I kept calling people who had done recently to ask and ask and ask. So I am doing this for free of charge. So in order for you to encourage me, all I will need is for you to subscribe, comment if you have questions, and share this video to your friends. Subscribe. I'm waiting. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Thank you. After driving for about 4 hours, we decided to stop by Walmart to pee, stretch our legs, and my daughter is currently potty training, so we have to go with her potty trainer everywhere we go so she doesn't just miss out on the training at all. Follow along as I share with you tips on how you can actually get your passport done in no time, where you can park, and also hotels where you can stay that are very close to the Nigerian embassy. So you don't even need to rush in the morning. You just wake up and you find yourself there. We didn't spend up to 30 minutes there at Walmart, and so we left. It wasn't long. We arrived Ottawa. We are here. We got into Ottawa at 7:56 p.m. and we're just heading to our hotel. Our hotel was just 8 minutes away from the Nigerian High Commission, and it was very close. The road to our hotel was not giving us the hotel vibes that we had hoped it was going to give us. It was actually my husband who booked it 9 minutes, and I was like, wait babe, what is this? Why is this road like this? It's looking so off. But then somehow I figured that if the parking space is like this, it should be an Airbnb, not a regular hotel. When he showed me the pictures of the place, it was really nice. It was so good. Like, I just wanted to be here already. But coming here felt a little bit disappointing. Like, my husband almost got upset. Like, what is this? Why are we parking our cars here? So after confirmation, all the details you need to access the building will be given to you, like the code, your parking space, your room number, and the elevator number. So we just arrived Ottawa now, and we are actually going to check out our hotel room. Yeah, it's about past 8 in the evening, so because it's summer, it's still bright. Even though the parking space of the hotel was not giving what it's supposed to give, The surroundings, the building itself was giving everything it's supposed to give. It was giving homely vibe, secured apartment, because they had like a code for you to type in before you enter the apartment. Everything, like I mentioned, was sent to our email, the code number, the elevator number, our floor number, just basically everything. The name of the hotel is Westview Luxury Suite, Ottawa. After we entered inside, I knew there was no way this would be a hotel. It was actually an Airbnb. And let me tell you what, you know, Airbnbs, like, they're always like very, very fine. Like, they make you feel really comfortable as compared to other hotels. I mean, their hotels, they're nice as well, but then Airbnbs give you this homely feel, like you feel very much relaxed as compared to hotels. When we got in, we were blown away by the neatness. It was serene, it was beautiful, it was giving like home vibes. Anyways, not too much talking. Let me give you guys a proper tour. Thank you so much for all the love that you show us. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family who would like to renew their Nigerian passport as a family in Canada. Thank you so much for all the love that you show us. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family who would like to renew their Nigerian passport as a family in Canada. So I brought some hot dogs, some chicken thighs, pound of flour, like yam flour, for the night's dinner. I have some strawberry yogurt for breakfast in the morning. I also brought like lots of bottled waters. And then I have my okra soup here. I brought some plums as well. So that's just it. I'm just going to make dinner now, and so we can eat and then retire back to bed tomorrow. At this point, this video is getting longer than I expected, and I wouldn't want to bore you guys with all the information in one video. I'm making it unnecessarily long. So everything we spent for one night in this Airbnb was about $262 or 65, I can't remember, but just there about 200 and something, with tax inclusive. So one thing I liked was that the customer service person was always ready to take our calls, answer questions when we are confused, and a lot of other things. But it was clean, it was neat. They had everything we needed to make our food, sleep, and enjoy. So whether you're coming for a vacation in Ottawa, or you're coming to renew your passport, or you're just coming to enjoy for a business trip with friends, or just yourself alone, this is one place I would recommend for you to stay. Before I leave tomorrow to the embassy, I'm going to tell you guys all the documents I carried, take you through all the processes of me purchasing my envelope, the money order, the return envelope from Canada Post, my passports, and every other information you need to know, as well as parking space, because if you're driving like we drove, you need to know where to park, and that was like kind of like a hassle for us, if not that we've been to Ottawa before. And so the names of the streets, the places, and where to park, and all the processes of parking were very familiar to us, from buying the tickets for parking, where to keep your tickets, and every other thing. We were familiar with it, so it made it very easy for us. So if you're watching this video now and you have any questions at all, please just drop them in the comment section. I am going to respond to them just before posting the experience on the exact day when we went to submit the passports and do our biometrics. Anyways, I ended the night with skincare because, as you already know, or if you do not know, I am a skincare influencer, and if you want to know how I started landing these deals, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for all the love that you show us. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family who would like to renew their Nigerian passport as a family in Canada.